download Microsoft Visual Studio. Click on the first website. You will find the MacOS and the Windows version. If you want a Mac version, click on it. Other case, if you're using Windows, download. For the Windows version, and make sure is 64-bit if your machine is 64-bit. Choose the community version that's totally free and enough for developing platform. Now wait for the downloading. Once the downloading is finished, go open it and execute. I won't click on yes because I have already that on my PC. But in your case, you must click on yes. Now you will see a window of Visual Studio Installer open automatically. Click on Modify if you want to add a workload such as ASP.NET. Here are some workload of Visual Studio. The .NET desktop development come usually automatically, but there's not you can add it. As you can see, there are web and cloud workloads, desktop and mobile development, and also the games workload. Let me add a Python development as workloads. The installation can take time, depending on your network connection. Now let's go and execute Microsoft Visual Studio, not the installer one. As you can see, Microsoft Visual Studio that I use for the moment is the preview version that allow me to run my applications on .NET 8 version. Now let's to create new projects to see if my Python workloads development is installed. Well, all the Python workloads development is correctly installed, and you can see written new. So we come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe if you're new, or leave a like or comment.
Get